Welcome back to my channel, where we explore health and wellness. Today, we delve into the keto diet, offering a comprehensive guide for both beginners and enthusiasts. What is the keto diet? The keto diet, short for ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that aims to induce ketosis, a state where the body burns fat for energy instead of carbs. How does keto work? Keto relies on a specific macro breakdown: 70 to 75% fat, 20 to 25% protein, and only 5 to 10% carbohydrates. By limiting carbs, your body enters ketosis, using fat for energy and producing ketones. Keto offers several benefits, including weight loss, blood sugar stabilization, increased energy, mental clarity, and appetite control. What to eat on keto? On a keto diet, focus on healthy fats, lean proteins, low-carb vegetables, full-fat dairy, and use sugar alternatives sparingly. Berries are acceptable fruits. Foods to avoid on keto: avoid high-carb foods, sugary drinks, processed snacks, legumes, grains, and high-sugar fruits. Potential side effects: transitioning to keto may cause temporary side effects like fatigue, headaches, and nausea as your body adapts. Tips for success. Here are some tips for keto success. Plan meals. Stay hydrated. Monitor ketones. Seek support, and consult a healthcare provider if needed. The keto diet can be a valuable tool for health and weight goals. Remember, individual results vary, so consult a healthcare professional before making dietary changes. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health content.